Guys and gals, Brad here, LaytonSportsCards, ripping one full box of Bowman First Edition for Josh S. Good luck, Josh. Okay. Guys, I'm not sure how far back everybody is. I can't be positive. All I can say is that we have 80 people in line, and I'm going to do as many as I can here. I'm almost done ripping orders from Sunday. I'm going to start ripping Saturday morning orders after this. That's where we're at. Shirt and Apostle. Blue foil Hans Cruz to 150. But yeah, the more time I spend reading off lists and searching for things, the less time we have to actually order boxes. I don't have any help with me tonight, so I'm trying to keep that to a minimum here. Damon Jones. Drew Vaughn, Mateo. Foil! First Bowman! Jason Dominguez. Woo! Boom! Huge hit. First one I've pulled so far. What is that, like $1,000 card or something? Pretty sure it is. Up to $1,000 on that card right there, man. I'll put it right into a mag. Aaron Laura, Alvaro Sejas, Nick Bennett. Aaron Shortridge, first Bowman. Yep, that could end up almost $1,000 card, man. That's crazy. Jahan Diaz. Foil, Aaron Shortridge. Bobby Witt base. Not bad. Nice Bobby Witt Jr. $710. Ulrich. Jeremy Pena. Jaron Duran, Joey Cantillo, Jackson Rutledge, Alheris Montero foil, Binks, pulling out all of the first Bowmans and all of the foils for top loading here is what I'm doing. Shirt and Apostle, Everson Pereira, Joe Ryan, Nico Holsizer, Tariq Skubal, First Bowman foil, Damon Jones. Good old Damon Jones. Wilfred Astudillo. Shirton. Apostle. Glenn Allen Hill. Jaceel De La Cruz. Thanks. Ruben Cardenas. Blue foil to 150. Jazz Chisholm. There you go. Xavier Edwards. Cal Mitchell foil. Bates. Next pack. Foil, Andrew Vaughn. Nice. Next pack. Jajon Diaz. Foil, O'Neal Cruz. What's up, Ryan? How you doing? I'm not sure, Kemper. Again, guys, I am not sure if we have any room left for tonight. I'm going to do as many as I can here before the stream turns off. Whatever doesn't rip tonight will rip tomorrow by Magic Matt. But there's about 80 people in line right now. Not boxes, 80 people. So, we got Ulrich, Jeremy Pena. Yellow foil, Brennan Davis to 75. Oh, Gerard Encarnacion. Robert Puason. Yellow, Marco Luciano to 75. Nice one. Nice Marco. Anthony Volpe. Luis Gil. Alec Thomas. Wander Franco. Miguel Vargas. Aaron Ashby. Adley. Antonio Cabello. And foil, Luis Garcia. Very nice. And first Bowman base, Jason Dominguez. Very nice. Mag that as well. Leo Rodriguez, Chris Valamont. Jacob Amaya. Sam Huff and foil, Julio Rodriguez, Seattle. packs, man. Oscar Gonzalez. Aaron Shortridge. Got a Florial, more base. Cajon Diaz. Foil, Jorge Mateo. Oakland. Bobby Witt, first Bowman base. Nice Bobby Witt. 2000, I think, Bills. Ulrich. Jeremy Pena. Jaron Duran, Joey Cantillo, Jackson Rutledge, Chris Valamont foil, blue, Taylor Trammell to 150, Padres. Balazovic. Last pack. Luis Robert there. Holsizer. Tariq Skubal. Wilfred Astudillo. And base. There you go, Josh S. Does it for your box. Get it right out to you, man. Thank you.